Good morning. আমি আজি elementary operations or transformation of a matrix or discuss korilo. So first elementary operation is interchanging of a row or a column. So consider this matrix. This is a 3x3 matrix, that means 3 rows and 3 columns. Yet this is our row 1, row 2, row 3. So ami row 1 and row 2 interchange korisu. That means ami row 2 ঠাইত আমি row 1 লিখিছো 1 2 1 row 1 লিখিছো আৰু row 1 ৰ ঠাইত আমি কি লিখিছো row 2 so আমি row 1 আৰু row 2 পজিশন গিটা just interchange কৰিছো similarly here আমি ইয়াত column 1 আৰু column 3 interchange কৰিছো so this is our column 3 আমি কোড লিখিছো column 1 ত লিখিছো column 1 পজিশনত আৰু column 1 আমি লিখিছো column 3 পজিশনত Next elementary operation is multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number. Say we are considering a given matrix of order 2 cross 3. Now what we will do? We will multiply. This is our row 1. This is our row 1. We are multiplying the row 1. Each elements of row 1 by a non-zero number. Root 2 is a non-zero number. So what we will get? Root 2, 2 root 2 and 3 root 2. Similarly, we can also multiply each elements of a particular column by a non-zero number. We are considering column 2 and we are multiplying each element with 1 by 3. Next operation, our addition of the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any non-zero number. So here we are considering this 3 cross 3 matrix. Ami operation to consider korisu row 1 plus 2 into row 3. So amar row 1 change hoise okol. So row 2 aru row 3 amar eke thakibo. Eke ase with the original matrix 1 1 1 0 1 1. So row 1 amar kenake change hoise row 1 plus 2 into row 3. So originally row 1 ki ase amar row 1 of first element 1 ase 1 put koriba plus ki ase 2 into row 3 corresponding row 3 element ki ase amar 0 so 2 into 0 calculation korile ami 1 paum similarly so put here 1 in the new row 1 similarly originally row 2 row 1 or second element ase amar 2 plus 2 into row 3 corresponding element 1 plus 2 into 1 4 third element originally of row 1 3 plus 2 into row 3 corresponding element of row 3 1 plus 2 into 1 keep us 5 so this is our new row 1 using this transformation similarly column transformation taswa ki change korisu ami column 2 change korisu so column 1 aru column 3 eke thakibo column 2 kenake change hoise c2 minus 2 into c3 so ami first column 2 likhilo so originally column 2 first element ase 2 minus 2 into c3 column 3 originally corresponding element ki ase 3 ase so minus 2 into 3 2 minus 6 minus 4 second element originally of column 2 ase amar 1 likhisu minus 2 into c3 corresponding element ki ase 2 1 minus 4 minus 3 third original element of column 2 1 likhilosu minus 2 into c3 corresponding element ase 1 2 into 1 what we are getting minus 1 so in this way we have done this column transformation question ta sai lo amar ei matrix 3 cross 3 matrix eta dia hoise we have to find these four elementary transformations first case row 1 transforms to row 1 minus half of row 2 so amar row 1 transformation so row 2 aru row 3 eke thakibo row 2 aru row 3 eke likha hoise 0 2 5 aru 3 1 7 row 1 amar kenake change hoise original element 1 minus half of 0 equal to 1 minus 3 minus half of this is your minus half of row 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 third element 2 ase 2 minus half of the corresponding element 5. So 2 minus 5 by 2 minus half. So this is our new row 1. Second element transformation is column 2 plus 3 column 1. So column 1 aru column 3 tomar eke thakibo. This is your column 1 eke ase 103 aru column 3 eke ase tomar 257 change hobo amar column 2 kenake change hose column 2 plus 3c1. So first term original element minus 3 plus 3c1 corresponding element 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3 0. Second ki ase tomar 2 ase 2 plus 3 into corresponding element c1 or 0 ase 3 into 0 2. So we are putting here 2. Third tomar original element 1 ase 1 plus corresponding element column 1 or ki ase 3. So 1 plus 3 into 3 with using this transformation ki paiso ami 10. So yet this is our new element. So this is our new column 2. So in this way these 2 element transformations are your homework. So next we come to invertible matrices. This is an important one. So a square matrix, invertible matrix hobole first and foremost amar ki hobo lagibo a square matrix hobo lagibo the of order m ami consider korisu m if there exists another square matrix b. We have a square matrix and we have another square matrix, naam dis ami b. Second condition ki hobo lagibo order m. A duita square matrix or tuma order to eke hobo lagibo such that a condition to fulfill kore. What is the condition? Product of AB equal to BA equal to I ke asle amar identity matrix. I is also of order m. Then B is called the inverse matrix of A and it is denoted by A inverse. So first note, a rectangular matrix do not possess inverse matrix. Why? Rectangular matrix is not commutative. Ami paisilu for a rectangular matrix AB is not equal to BA. That means a rectangular matrix is not commutative. Equal hua hole ami ki kolu eten commute korise. So only square matrix can have an inverse because this condition is fulfilled. Second note, if B is the inverse of A, ami jodi kom B is the inverse of matrix A, then ami eneko pohibo paru A is the inverse of the matrix B. Ulta ke kobo paru. Third point, inverse of a square matrix if exist is unique. So this is an important theorem and important one mark question. Next, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse, where A and B are invertible matrices. That means inverse exists. Invertible matrices means inverse thakibo aru order gita ki same hobo. So a point to be monot hobo lagibo. AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. So example ta salu amar yat square matrix eta ase order 2 cross 2 A and B are same square matrix elements keneke lo hoise AB compute koriba by usual multiplication ami ki paisu identity. Similarly ami BA compute kori sam by known multiplication. What we get? I, identity matrix. So what we are getting? AB equal to also I, BA equal to I. So what we can say? B is the inverse of the matrix A, or also we can say A is the inverse, B is the inverse of A, or A is the inverse of B. It is noted by A equal to B inverse. Now what we prove? That uniqueness of inverse of a inverse of a matrix is unique. We have a square matrix of order m. If possible, what we have to show that amar osot square matrix eta ase, a square matrix or okol eta inverse thakibo. For example, tumake real number eta consider kora 2. 2 belongs to any real number. 2 logot ami ki multiply korile ami 1 pam. Half. So 2 into half 1. So amar 2 logot only half into korile ami 1 pam. There do not exist any other real number other than 1 by 2 such that we get 2 into that real number equal to 1. So there exists one and only half, such that if we multiply half into 2 we get 1. So what? Inverse of 2 is unique because there exists only one half that multiplied equal to 1. So this is unique. Similarly, in case of a matrix, we have, if we have a square matrix, then we have to show that a matrix to jodi inverse ase, that means a inverse jodi ase, etu eneko etai matrix thakibo, duta nathake. So ami dhori loisu, if possible, B and C are two inverses of matrix. Possible boli dhori loisu to show B equal to C. Jodi a duta matrix equal hoy, ta mane mi ki kom? A has only one inverse. Now, since B is the inverse of A, so condition to obviously fulfill koribo, AB equal to B, A equal to I. Ako amar ki koise? C o eta inverse koise. Kar? A. So amar AC equal to CA equal to I hobo. Now, B equal to BI. Is it? We can write B equal to B into identity matrix. Identity matrix ot ami ki likhibo paru? AC likhibo paru. AC likhar pasot ami associative property apply korilu, BA into C. Now BA thait ami ki likhibo paru? From this condition I. Now I into C, identity matrix into C, what we will get? C. So what we are getting? B equal to C. That means ami ya dhori loisilu that for the matrix A amar usrot duta inverse ase, but আমি গৈ পেলাই কি পালো, এই দুইটা নহয়, এটা একেটাই ম্যাট্ৰিক্স হয়, B আৰু C আমাৰ একেটাই ম্যাট্ৰিক্স হয়. That means B equal to C. So what we are getting, for any square matrix A we will have only one inverse matrix. So the inverse of A is unique. Next আমি কিছুমান problems কৰিম. Inverse of a matrix we will try to find by using what? Elementary operations. So this is the first question. We are given this matrix. Ami janu A equal to AI, we can write for any matrix we can write A equal to AI, where I is the identity matrix of that order. That means if here A is of order 2, then I will be also of order 2. Now amar A amak ki dia ase ami likhilom. This A we will leave it as it is A, and identity matrix will write. The inverse of a matrix ketia hoy? Jetia ei condition to fulfill hoy, AB equal to I equal to BA. Ta ami paisu ki A equal to AI. So ami A transformation to le ami shift change koribo lagibo. So ami ki korim? This A will convert into I. This A will convert into I by using elementary operations or transformations, and this A will be remain as it is. For this A will be remain as it is, and this I will get converted into what? B. Clear? So we have what? A equal to AI, we need to transform into AB equal to I, then we can say B is the inverse of the matrix A. So what we'll do, we'll convert this matrix A first to the identity matrix I, to this I. Next this A will be remain as it is, this A remain as it is, and this B will come from this I. Elementary operation koile amar AI to B hoy jabo. So here amak ei A to ami kole convert korim koislo, identity matrix to convert korim. So amar ei 2 thait amak ki lagibo? 1 lagibo. So what we will do, row 1 half into row 1 kori dim, half into kori dile amar 2 thait ki hoy jabo? 1, aro yat -6 thait -3 hoy jabo. Similarly jetia ami a row to transform kori, correspondingly amar identity matrix or first row transform hobo. So amar half aro 0 hobo. This A will be remain as it is. Next what we need, identity matrix convert koribole a 1 or thait amak ki lage? 0 lage. In this place of 1 we need 0. So ami ki korim, row 2 amak transform koribo lage. Row 2 transform koribor karone ami row 2 minus row 1 korim. So 1 minus 1 amar ki ahile? 0. Minus 2 minus plus 3 1. Similarly amar ei रो ट्रांसफॉर्म होबो रो 2 0 0 minus half 1 minus 0 1 clear next amar ki lage we need to convert this into 1 identity matrix or karone amar yat ki ligibo 1 ligibo amar third element this element 1 we need so here already we have 1 so need not of any transformation next what we need a 0 here we need a 0 in this minus 3 so 0 ami kenake korim yat ame row 1 minus 3 code ase amar row 1 ot ase so we need to transform row 1 so row 1 plus 3 into row 2 korim ami so here we need a 0 identity matrix or karone so ami a elementary operation to apply korim row 1 ot ase row 1 plus 3 into row 2 so 1 plus 3 into 0 1 plus 3 into 0 amar ki hobo 1 hobo next ki ase minus 3 into 3 into row 2 that means 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3 into 1 amar ki hol 0 hol so amar correspondingly ami a matrix tour karono ami apply korim so calculation por ami ki dekha goise minus 1 pam aru 3 pam so ami ultimately ki paluge I equal to ab palu ne this is your identity matrix I equal to ab palu so ami ki koba paru for this matrix A this B or A inverse is the corresponding invertible matrix second question amar ya 3 cross 3 order 3 matrix eta dia ase we have to find the inverters of this given matrix ami first and foremost likhi lo A equal to AI similarly this A ami kole convert korim identity matrix le convert korim aru this A will be remain as A aru A identity matrix to ami kole convert korim to the matrix B then B will call the inverse of A so first ami identity matrix le convert koribole amar a topmost right most element amar ki hobo lagibo 1 so ami ki korisu row 1 or logot to this row 1 since this 2 belongs to row 1 so ami complete row 1 or logot ami half eta into kori disu so half to into kora loge loge amar 2 thait ki ahise 1 ahise 0/2 0 aru minus 1 into half amar minus half correspondingly amar a first row ki hoise amar 1/2 ho gose 0/2 and 0/2 row 2 aru row 3 ami eko elementary operation lua nai so amar eke thakibo yato amar row 2 aru row 3 eke ase next amar 1 le convert hol next what we need here 0 we need or here 0 so yat amar 0 ase already so amar problem nai so ami 5 to ami 0 le convert koribo laibo so ami kene convert korim by using this elementary operation if 5 amar kuntu row belong kore row 2 belong kore so ami ki korim 5 minus 5 into 1 that means row 1 so tumi ki hobo 5 minus 5 into row 1 ki ahile 0 next amar 1 minus 5 into 0 of row 1 ki ahile 1 e ahibo next amar ki ase 0 minus 5 into minus half amar ki ahibo plus 5/2 so this row 3 amar eko transformation kora nai so eke thakibo so correspondingly this row transformation will apply for this matrix row 1 amar eke thakibo row 1 amar eke thakibo row 2 amar kenake change hobo row 2 minus 5 into row 1 so 0 minus 5 into half what will have minus 5/2 1 minus 5 into 0 what will have 1 and 0 minus 5 into 0 what will have 0 row 3 amar eke thakibo 0 0 1 so ami ki palo yat already 0 0 pai golo next ami ki check koribo libo this element identity matrix or karone amar A to 2 element আমাৰ 1 থাকে so already ইয়াত আমাৰ 1 আছে so problem নাই আমি next step লে move কৰো next step আমাৰ কি হ'ব লাগে এই 1 টোৰ তলত আমাৰ ইয়াত 0 হ'ব লাগে বাট আমাৰ ইয়াত 0 আছে নাই so we will convert this 1 into 0 that means প্ৰথমতে আমি ইয়াত 1 আনিলো 1 অনাৰ পাছত 1 ৰ প্ৰত্যেক তলৰ এলিমেন্ট গিটা আমি 0 লে কনভাৰ্ট কৰিলো কাম খতম নেক্সট আমি সেকেন্ড কলম ले जाओ सेकेंड कॉलम আমি মিডল এলিমেন্ট তো আমি 1 অলৰেডি আছে আৰু তাৰ ওপৰ আৰু তলৰ এলিমেন্ট গিটা আমাৰ 0 আছে না চেক কৰিব লাগিব অলৰেডি এই 1 ৰ ওপৰ এলিমেন্ট আমাৰ 0 আছে প্ৰবলেম নাই তো আমাৰ 1 ৰ তলৰ এলিমেন্ট আমাৰ কি আছে 1 আছে we have to convert it into 0 so আমি 0 এই ট্ৰান্সফৰমেশন টু ইউজ কৰি কনভাৰ্ট কৰিম কেনে কৰিম रो 3 আছে this 1 so what will do रो 3 minus रो 2 रो 1 আৰু रो 2 একে থাকিব रो 1 একে আছে 1 0 minus half 0 1 5/2 0 1 5/2 रो 3 আমি रो 3 minus रो 2 so 0 minus 0 আমাৰ 0 আহিছে 1 minus 1 0 আৰু 3 minus 5/2 আমাৰ half আহে similarly ইয়াত আমাৰ रो 1 আৰু रो 2 একে থাকিব रो 3 আমাৰ কি হৈছে रो 3 minus रो 2 0 minus 5/2 plus 5/2 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 0 1 clear next আমাৰ ইয়াত অলৰেডি আমাৰ আহিলে 1 ৰ ওপৰতো 0 আছে তলতো 0 আছে হৈ গল কমপ্লিট next what we need to check this third row third element আমাৰ 1 আছে না yes already 1 we have so আমাৰ problem নাই next আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এই 1 ৰ উপৰৰ corresponding উপৰৰ এলিমেন্ট গিটা আমাৰ 0 আছে নাই 0 so we will try to convert these two elements into 0 so elementary operation আমি কি কৰিম रो 1 আমাক কোনটো ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগে half minus half to 0 লে নিব লাগে minus half আছে কোট আমাৰ रो 1 ত আছে so रो 1 plus half into रो 3 half into रो 3 half into रो 3 so আমাৰ কি আহিব 1 minus half into रो 3 1 minus half into रो 3 this one 0 আহিব 0 plus half into रो 3 0 minus half plus half into रो 3 that means 1 minus half plus half 0 next আমাৰ আহিব আহিলে ইয়াত আমাৰ 0 next আমি 5/2 আমাৰ 0 লে কনভাৰ্ট কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিব লাগিব সো আমাৰ কি আছে 0 0 plus 0 minus 5/2 into 0 0 আহিব 1 minus 5/2 into 0 0 আহিব 1 আহিব আৰু 5/2 minus 5/2 into 1 কি আহিব আমাৰ 0 আহিব correspondingly আমি এই matrix to check কৰিম रो 1 plus half into रो 3 रो 1 কি আছে আমাৰ half আছে रो 1 half minus plus half into रो 3 plus half into रो 3 5 আমাৰ 6/2 আহিব that means 3 then 0 0 plus half into minus 2 minus 1 আহিব আৰু next আমাৰ 0 plus half into plus 2 plus 1 আহিব ঠিক আছে next আমাৰ रो 2 চেক কৰিম रो 2 অপাৰেশন কেনেকৈ আছে रो 2 minus 5/2 into रो 3 ক্যালকুলেশন কৰি চেক কৰিবা পাবা তোমালোকে minus 15 পাবা 6 আৰু minus 5 পাবা সো আমি কেনেকৈ কনভাৰ্ট হৈছে আমাৰ I equal to AB আমি পাই গৈছো so what we can say this B is the so what we are getting I equal to AB so this B is the inverse of this matrix so this is the required inverse of the matrix A so these are your homework 3.4 you have to find the inverse of this matrix and page number 89 this you have to express the matrix in as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix